I return home after receiving a weather alert text message. This time, my family and I are at peace. We have just purchased all the original Rapid devices, including those I am installing to cover the bathroom fixtures and various drains. Rapid is the only manufacturer that seals off all access to water with easy-to-install patented anti-flooding devices. Even my adult son is able to position the new Torricelli Rapid to prevent water from rising up through the drains in our basement garage. Meanwhile, outside, my husband quickly runs to raise the grates covering the cellar, closing them completely with full G flood barriers. Meanwhile, the great-grandmother protects the garage by closing the gate, the only barrier that requires no force because it does not even need to be lifted. And for larger sizes, 2 doors can also be made. Let's not forget to close off electrical outlets and ventilation sockets, which is very easy with Rapid outlet plugs, available in various sizes and formats, and also lockable. To protect his car and motorcycle inside the garage, my husband chose MODu modular barriers for the car, and MOD for the motorcycle. While he positions the MODu, I take care of the MOD because it is lighter. After that, I go to the living area and insert the click barrier into the doorway and window by myself. This is the quickest bulkhead on the market to install and therefore easy to use. Just one click. To protect the safety vent hole of the kitchen gas stove, remove the grill and insert the lockable CapR. At this point, I reach the service door to the basement, for which we could have chosen another type of full door, the full D, but we opted for a more convenient close door, which has hinges and can be closed with just a small movement. I move to the window and use the full W barrier with integrated closure to protect it. Thanks to the full clear transparent barrier, I can close the basement window while letting natural light in. In the window next to it, I put the most economical full click with an aluminum panel, and the basement is also secure. I then place the MODERNA bulkhead against the door frame. I extend it with a quick, easy movement, noting with pleasure that there is no hard, tiring click. This is what makes the Rapid patent so unique. What's more, in the MODERNA range the barriers are practical, and the innovative sliders don't even scratch my door frame, leaving the entrance looking just as good as ever. I will show you a few variations in succession, starting with the MODERNA Duo. Thanks to its double fold, it is considerably shorter, making it easy to insert between the external door frame and the internal door frame. The choice of rectangular gaskets allows for complete support against the wall, improving watertightness and resistance to water pressure. Quality that cannot be achieved with rounded ones. And if you don't have an existing frame to lean on, and you're afraid that the force of the water will move the bulkhead? Don't worry. Position the ingenious, yet practical MODERNA Essence without resting it on the side edges of the opening. And that's it. Easy, right? With all access points to the house secured, we proceed towards the pool. I am responsible for removing the manhole covers and inserting Rapid union posts, compressing the gaskets into the manholes. The Rapid union posts allow us to place multiple bulkheads in a linear and angular system, enabling us to close a perimeter. Ah, good. Now even the clear water in our beautiful swimming pool is safe. At this point, we return to the house. The water begins to rise, but this time the basement is safe. While I continue with my daily activities, my husband admires the storm from the window, which fascinates him. Are you wondering how much they cost? We tried to save money with homemade or improvised products made by craftsmen, with the result you see. And I had to reluctantly buy back my beloved appliances and furniture. Rapid performs safety tests on every sample of its devices, having the tests certified by the Giordano Institute or TUV. All things considered, Rapid devices pay for themselves the first time they are used, costing much less than the damage they prevent. Thanks, Rapid. Thanks to your patents, our home and our family are now safe.